Hi friends, welcome back with another series of videos in which we are going to discuss about very important questions regarding the FIA test, specifically about the FIA Act 1974. So before moving towards the questions, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please don't forget to like and subscribe it. So here is our first question. Federal Investigation Agency FIA, established under FIA Act 1974, was promulgated on January 13, 1972, January 13, 1975, January 13, 1976, and none of these. And the right one is option B, January 13, 1975. Question number 2. Which of the following is the head of the Federal Investigation Agency? DGFIA, Defense Minister, Interior Minister, President FIA, and none of these. So the correct answer of this question is option A, DGFIA. Question number 3. Who was the first Director General of FIA appointed in the year 1974? And among the options we have M.A.K. Chaudhary, M.Y. Orakzai, M. Akram Sheikh, M. Azam Kazi, and none of these. And among the giving options, the right answer is option B, M.Y. Orakzai. Question number 4. According to the FIA Act 1974, the FIA is under the supervision of dash DGFIA, Secretary FIA, Interior Minister, Federal Government, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option D, Federal Government. Question number 5. Which of the following is the meaning of the Federal Government in the Constitution of Pakistan? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Federal Cabinet, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option D, Federal Cabinet. Question number 6. FIA is a separate organization under the Ministry, Minister, President. And in the options we have Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Interior, Prime Minister, President, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option B, Ministry of Interior. Question number 7. Which of the following authority makes the rules for carrying out the purpose of the FIA Act 1974? Federal Government, Parliament, Specialized Senate Committee, DGFIA, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option A, Federal Government. Question number 8. Federal Investigation Agency FIA also serves as NGO, Amnesty Pakistan, Headquarter of Interpol Pakistan, Headquarter of Monetary Policy, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option C, Headquarter of Interpol Pakistan. Question number 9. UNODC stand for which of the following? United Nations Organization of Districts and Cities, United Nations Organizations of Drugs and Crisis, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, United Nations Office on Duties and Citizenship, and none of these. And the right answer of this question is option C, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Question number 10. Which of the following crimes do not handle by FIA? Organized corruption, cyber crimes, money laundering, all of these are dealt with by FIA, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option D, all of these are dealt with by FIA. Question number 11. Director General FIA is appointed by which of the following? Supreme Court, Ministry of Interior, Federal Government, the most senior in rank take the charge, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option C, Federal Government. Question number 12. Director General FIA is assisted by how many directors? 10, 11, 12, 13. And the right answer of this question is option A, 10. Question number 13. Director General FIA is assisted by dash additional Director Generals 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right one is option B, 3. Question number 14. The jurisdiction of the Federal Investigation Agency FIA is divided into which of the following zones? 5, 6, 7, 8. And in these options, the right one is option A, 5. Question number 15. According to FIA, how many Pakistanis were deported from European countries over the 4 years duration from 2013 to 2016? 7,000, 9,000, 11,000 and 13,000. And the right answer of this question is option D, 13,000. Question number 16. Who can make regulations for carrying out the purposes of the FIA Act 1974? Federal Government, Parliament, Specialized Senate Committee, DGFIA, none of these. And the right one is option A, Federal Government. Question number 17. The developing solution for drugs and related challenges in Pakistan in 2016 to 2019 was started by which of the following? FIA, UNODC, Ministry of Interior, Ministry of Narcotics Control, none of these. And the right answer of this question is option B, UNODC. Question number 18. Director General FIA exercises the powers of which of the following authority in respect of matters related to FIA? Inspector General of Police, Federal Attorney General, Magistrate, none of these. And the right one is option A, Inspector General of Police. Question number 19. The power to amend any schedule of FIA Act 1974 is vested in the Federal Government, Senate, Supreme Court, Parliament. And the right one is option A, Federal Government. Question number 20. Agency means the Federal Investigation Agency constituted under section. And in options we have section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. And the right one is option C, section 3. So that's all for today. Till next video, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.